Look what I just got out of the shop. My mid to late 80s made in Japan Stratocaster. I did have a 54 Jap Strat reissue from the 80s, which was probably the best guitar I ever owned, and it got stolen. But not to get on that long sad story, but when I decided to replace the guitar, I was kind of conflicted, kind of torn. Should I get another one exactly like it? No, that would be a heartbreak every time I looked at it. So I decided to go with something completely different. A big headstock 60s, 70s style Stratocaster. When most folks see this big headstock, they think about Hendrix or Robin Trower or Ritchie Blackmore. But first time I saw one was an old photo of Galen Dean from Al Dean and the All-Stars. And Mom and Dad had a record with Jalisco and Cotton Eye Joe and a whole bunch of other good stuff. Now, I'm a Telly guy and have been for a while, but there are some things that you can do on a Strat that you can't do on a Telly unless you trick your Telly out to sound like a Strat. And then why would you have a Telly if you had a Strat? One of the things that I really dig about the Stratocaster is the out-of-phase sounds that you can get. Here's the neck pickup. And here's the out-of-phase sound. Just kind of mellows it out a little bit. The bridge pickup. And the out-of-phase sound at the bridge. Just really kind of mellows it. I'm down with it. And as a matter of fact, I used this particular guitar in this out-of-phase position on the title track of my new record called Lost in the City Lights. And that lick kind of goes like this. You know, when you pick up a different guitar, kind of gives you different ideas on what to play. It has a totally different feel. That's the great thing about guitars, and that's why so many people don't understand that you just never can have too many. Everyone is different. Every guitar has its own voice, its own personality, and it makes you think and play differently on every one of them. I wouldn't think about playing that on anything. I've got a Gibson hollow body style guitar and with a Bigsby on it, but I would probably never think about playing something like this. So yeah, it's a clean machine, and I can hardly wait to get it in the beer joint and get some funk all over it. It's going to be awesome. I can hardly wait. Whew, appreciate your indulgence on that.